family from on the behalf of whole secretary, our secretaries, dignitaries of our national team, we wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. So while we say this Independence Day, we have to think about the independence more rational, in a more rational sense. We know that we got independence from British colonial rulers, but still we know that somewhere deep inside the conscience of today's rulers of this country, that aspect of colonialism is deeply inherited, especially against the minorities of this country, Muslims, Christians, Dalits, Adivasis. So, fraternity firmly believe in fighting this saffron party who is carrying this colonial aspect forward. As we believe in a very true sense of the independence, we always uphold the idea of justice, equality, fraternity as enshrined in our preamble. While we say this, we can see the three colors in the flag, which shows the unity of the people in this country. We see the Ashok Chakra in the middle. Welfare Party and fraternity movement ensures every time to uphold the dignity of this unity which this Indian national flag always carry. We still know that constitutionally we have abolished the practice of untouchability, but still in the remotest part of this country this practice is taking place. We are continuously fighting, and today again on this Independence Day we take pledge that till our last breath we will fight this practice of untouchability. We still know there are a lot of Muslims out on the streets getting lynched in the daylight, in front of state, in front of police, where we have seen in many cases, especially in the demolition of Muslim houses, police acted, the state acted very biasly towards Muslim community, which is very unconstitutional. This is not what this Indian Constitution teaches us. So fraternity promises that every citizen of this country, the fraternity promise the very last standing citizen of this country, that we will keep on raising our voice on the injustice happening on each and every citizen of this country, and we take pledge on this day that fraternity and Welfare Party of India will keep on fighting against this injustice and against this saffronized government. Happy Independence Day. Shukriya.